Today in this video, I want to discuss two important terms which are quartiles and second one is box plot. Okay beta? Now you can find definition of quartiles is here. The lines, some lines I have selected, you can read these lines. This is the definition of quartile. In fact, quartile is the distribution of data into four equal parts. That is called quartiles. Okay. And here complete definition you can read. Quartiles are the quantiles, that is quantities, which divide the distribution of data into four equal parts. This is called quartiles. Okay beta? And some related terms to quartiles are given in box plot. Now it is the time to understand what is box plot. Actually box plot जो है, box plot includes 5 terms. That is, we can say if drawing a box we can find these 5 terms, then we can say we have plotted a box. Okay. So here definition of box plot is there. A box plot is a visual representation of the statistical 5 number summary of a given data set. That is, एक डेटा सेट होगा, उस डेटा सेट से रिलेटेड 5 वैल्यूज, you need 5 values, and which are those 5 values? Those 5 values are these: at line number 14 minimum, at line number 18 maximum, from given data set minimum and maximum. Then line number 15 first quartile, line number 16 median, and at line number 17 you find third quartile. Okay. So now try to understand what is the meaning of first quartile, median and third quartile. For this I want to take an example. Okay. So just I show you that example, and from that example you can find what are the values: minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile and maximum. How we can find these values. Okay. So just using an example I am going to explain you. See beta, here at line number 20 I have written, for example, if we have numbers 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 8, 9. Okay, if we have these numbers, ठीक है बेटा, ये नंबर का हमारे पास एक डेटा सेट है. For example, if we have numbers 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 8, 9, this is our data set. Okay. Then from this data set, we have to find a minimum and maximum value. So what is the minimum value? 1 is the minimum value and 9 is the maximum value. Okay, beta, in this given data set. And now we have to calculate what is the median. Actually, median is the value which is located at center position. Okay, that is, you can say middle value. So here middle value is 7. Middle value is 7. This is the median, and median is also called second quartile. Median is also called second quartile. तो अभी तक आपने 3 numbers find किए: minimum, maximum and second quartile. Second quartile is the median of data set. Data set में जो भी values हैं उनमें middle position पे पड़ने वाली value, that is called median. So now in our given example 7 is the median. Okay बेटा. Now first quartile and third quartile. अब मीडियन वैल्यू से जो लेफ्ट में है, that is 1, 3, 4, जो मीडियन से लेफ्ट में है उन लेफ्ट वैल्यूज का जो मीडियन होगा that is called फर्स्ट क्वार्टाइल, और जो मीन मीडियन से राइट साइड में वैल्यूज हैं, राइट साइड वैल्यूज, इनका जो मीडियन होगा that is called थर्ड क्वार्टाइल. Okay, so in this way we can find first quartile and third quartile. So first quartile की वैल्यू that will be 3 because values are data set is 1, 3, 4. In 1, 3, 4, which is the median value 3, and in 8, 8, 9, which is the median value, that is 8. So in 8, 8, 9 median value is 8, and 1, 3, 4 median value is 3. So here in this case 3 is the first quartile. Here this 3, the selected value, This 3 is first quartile, this 8 is third quartile, and this 7 is median, or you can say second quartile. Okay, and this value first, this is the minimum, and 9 this is the maximum. ओके, इन सारी वैल्यूज को रिप्रेजेंट करने वाला जो हमारा चार्ट होगा, हमारा जो बॉक्स होगा, दैट इज बॉक्स प्लॉट, और यू कैन से दैट इज अ बॉक्स चार्ट व्हिच कैन रिप्रेजेंट ऑल दीज वैल्यूज यूजिंग दिस डेटा सेट. ओके, कोई भी हम डेटा सेट लेंगे उस पे हमें मिनिमम फर्स्ट क्वार्टाइल, मीडियन दैट इज सेकंड क्वार्टाइल, थर्ड क्वार्टाइल एंड मैक्सिमम, these values को अगर वो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है ग्राफ, then we can say this is a box plot. Okay beta, now I am going to form box plot on this data set, the data set which I have taken in our example. That data set I am going to use now in our program. Now see beta, what is the result of this program. अब देखिए बेटा, here in list 1 I have taken those values 1 3 4 7 8 8 9 and data is equal to list 1 and plt dot box plot. Here box plot is a method. Okay, name of method to plot a box is box plot, और इस box plot में हम एक वैल्यू पास कर देते हैं that is called data. It means जो हमारा डेटा सेट है उसको हमने पास कर दिया. Then plt dot show, ये जो मैंने लिखा है प्रोग्राम, इसका आउटपुट क्या है, that is to be seen. Now let's see what is its output. देखिए बेटा, इसमें आपने एक बॉक्स प्लॉट देख रहे हैं. ओके, आई थिंक यू कैन फाइंड दिस बॉक्स प्लॉट. ओके बेटा, इस बॉक्स प्लॉट में at vertical axis, at y axis you can see minimum value is represented 1, maximum value is represented 9. देख रहे हैं बेटा सारी वैल्यू. ये जो बीच में एक लाइन है देख रहे हैं, कलर्ड लाइन, दैट इज द मीडियन. ये जो बीच में कलर्ड लाइन देख रहे हैं बेटा, राइट साइड में आउटपुट को, नाउ यू हैव टू वॉच आउटपुट. आउटपुट में 7 इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाई a colored line. This colored line shows its median. It means second quartile. First quartile वैल्यू बेटा देखिए इधर इस साइड में, ये जो इसी बॉक्स में जो फ्रॉम बॉटम से जो फर्स्ट लाइन है बॉक्स की, that can be used to show first quartile, and last line of this box can show third quartile which is 8, and first quartile is 3, that is represented by this. Okay, and green जो colored line है that can represent median, or you can say second quartile. तो सारे क्वार्टाइल की वैल्यूज इस डेटा पे आपको दिख रही है. ओके बेटा, ये इसका आउटपुट है. अब यहाँ पे वन मोर थिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, डेटा के साथ वी कैन यूज एन पैरामीटर, that is VERT is equal to 0. If I use this parameter, okay, if I use this parameter, then what will be its output? Now you can see its horizontal output you can find. Okay beta, its horizontal output you can find. This is the horizontal output. Okay, and one more attribute which can be passed here, that is the patch artist is equal to true. Control C, and now I use this one more parameter. If I use this parameter, then what will be its effect? Now let's see what is the effect of this parameter. Now you can see a colored box plot, default color box plot you can find. Okay beta, so using these techniques you can create a box plot. Is that clear? Any confusion in box plot? Now in next program I want to take some other values to plot box. Some other values I am going to take in next program. देखिए बेटा, यहाँ पर list 1 list 2 दो तरह के डेटा है, that is two boxes will be formed. Okay, list 1 and list 2, some values like previous example here are here. इनके according simply you have to watch what is the output, and other things I have explained. Simply you have to analyze those things. End of while scanning, it means there are some codes which are not free. Now just I execute this. Now beta you can find two box plot. Okay beta, any doubt? Two box plots here. तो ये जो second output है, you can analyze these output using the given values. इन values को देख के आप इसको find कर सकते हैं what is the meaning of this output. Okay, so what is the difference between previous and this output? You can analyze just by watching this video and by watching the previous and current output. Okay beta, here there is difference of only data. Is that clear beta? Okay, now I am going to stop this video. Some other things related to this I will discuss in next video. Okay beta, thanks for watching.